Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove blank rows in Excel using formula. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here some data. Now some row are blank. Now we want to remove the all row at once. At first, select your sheet, click and drag on your mouse, then press Ctrl G on your keyboard, then go to the special menu, check mark on the blank option, click OK. We can see here automatically select the all blank row, click right button and choose delete option. Now we can see here open a delete window. You can delete shift cells left, up, entire row or entire column. Now I am only delete the entire row, check mark on the entire row, click OK. We can see we delete the entire row or blank row in Excel using formula easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.